Welcome back. My name is Palaj বিশ্বাস, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and today discuss the shrink and stress wrapping. And this is under the subject of materials handlings, and this is my lecture number 7 is given here. And packaging for materials handlings. The what is the packaging? Packaging for materials handling is considered. Basically, your the materials is transferred from this the one place to this the another place. Then you have to record for your the proper packaging. Either your materials cannot be transferred the proper way because your safety of your materials, this will be depends on your this the packaging of materials. The when you have to transfer your materials from this the one place to the another place, then your the packaging is the good packaging will be done. Then your materials is the properly transfer your the destinations. Suppose or this is the courier man's, then you have to give a your the order that like or the big baskets and the Flipkarts. Then you have to see your order is comes to your the home, that is the proper way, and also the full safety is maintained. Either you cannot pick up your materials because this is the not safe on this transfer from this the one station to this another station. Then you have to concentrate according fully for your the packaging. Then you have to given that this packaging way of materials handling. This is a different way this packaging will be done. Suppose your materials is the suppose your the inside of materials, that is transferable for job people will be very much known. That is the when here she is the transfer your materials properly, then is the one station to the another station, that like your the your market to your the destinations. Then this will be different packaging type of materials will be available. Suppose or the wood blocks will be transferred this the one place to this another place. Then you have to given some pure your attachments will be given, that like is considered according to your the packaging of your material. Suppose or the egg will be transferred from this the one place to this another place. Then you have to take this materials properly. Either this will be breaks and also loss of huge amount of rupees. This will be concentrated according to your the packaging for materials and leaks. Like this, the packaging of materials has two major aspects is here. The one is the package individual products, that like your the item to promote sales of soft goods. This will be here. Suppose your the one products is the individual products will be required for your the packaging, that like your the toothpaste is a individual the one packaging, so it will be there, that like the toothpaste is put inside of a tube, and also this tube will be put here the inside of a paper baskets, or this the cartridge will be considered. And then you have to complete your the packaging procedures, and this will be transferred to this the customer, that like your the soft goods. The other is to protect the materials, that will your the individual or the bulk during the storage and transportation of these packaged materials will be considered. Suppose your the bulk type of materials is transferred from this the one place to the another place. Then you have to record for the full concentrations, that like your the full phase, this will be required for the safety purpose and during to your the transportation times. Suppose your materials will be suppose the or sand will be transferred from this the one place to this another place, that like or those places the sand is digging from this the rivers. Then this river sands also will be transferred during to your the industrial trucks is used, like your the transfer of materials. Then you can see the overloaded is the not will be here, because the excess materials will be is the drop by drops will be put in on this the roads, and also this is the destroy of materials. Similarly, you have to always concentrate according to this the uppermost portion you have to cover by your the cover packets, and like your the polythenes will be given to your the on here, and this will be protest your this when suppose wind is blowing, just like your lorry or trucks. Then this will be few sands will be displaced according to your the winds. Then this will be given to your the packaging procedures. The first type of fancy sales will be considered according to your the packaging, which the promote the attractiveness of the articles to the consumers, is not directly related to with the subject of materials handling constraints will be here. Suppose the different type of fancy products like your the different type of toys now will be transferred from this one place to this another place, then this will be required for your the proper packaging procedures also. This will be lucrativeness also will be here, because your the customers is the fast choice will become during to the fast seeing this object, and also this will be directly related to your the consumer or the customer satisfaction also will be required during to your the packaging procedures of materials handling. Another cases will be here during to your the materials is the transfer from this the one place to the another place, then this materials is required to keep it safe and silence, and also this safety is the first precautions, and also this will be reaching to the customers. And however, the second type of packaging for protections of the materials included in the protection of sales packaging. A few cases we can see that different salesman system comes to your the door to door, then this will be handled materials properly, because this package materials will be reaching to your the your home is by this the salesman, and then this salesman is the take this materials to your hand, and again a few cases this will be given offer, you have to taking by your hand, and also this will be packaged open, and again this damage will be considered, then this packet will be not give to you the return, and this type of difficulties will be arise during to this, then this type of materials handling is required for this the full protections of the materials, including the protection of this the sales packaging, and another things that close relationships with some of these materials handling functions like the storage and transportation. That like your the storage times, this will be required for your the good packaging procedure. Suppose your the in the production industry, then you will be considered the product is produced, product is produced, and also complete your the quality assurances, and also this will be reached to your the packaging procedures, and after completing this packaging of materials, then this will be required for your the storage before the transportation of these materials to the customers, then this will be required for the storage procedures, and also during to your the storage times, this is the given for the stacking the one by one, and also this is the required for your proper maintenance, and only that there is a safe properly, then this will be handled, and this is the transfer to your the customers, the before transferring to your the transportation as like as the customer, this is the storage the proper way, and this will be considered according to your the storage and the transportations, and thus forms a part of materials handling systems is considered according to this. The industrial packagings will be considered. This type of packaging is called the industrial packaging or the packagings, because the both of the terms are usually interchangeably using toward the industrial packagings. The packaging is to provide the protections for an articles or groups or of articles against physical damage during the shipments and the transportations is the here. Basically, the few cases we can see that like your the heavy type of materials will be transferred from the place to the another place during to this the shipment times, and other things your the transportation time. Suppose your the your home uses the particles just like your the cart, almirah, and this will be transferred during to the transferable job parts onto the on place to the another place after 3 to 4 years cycles will be here, and then this during to this transportation time, this will be package the your materials inside on a industrial trucks, and then this during to this transportation, the few breakage will be considered like your the freeze will be not working properly during to after transportation of this down place to the another place, and your carts will be cracks will be comes during to your the different jerking, then avoid to this type of jerking and also the disturbance, then you have to give in some the package of materials that like the you have to give in some supports when you have to packagings will be considered, then after that this will be transferred properly. Such packagings such the packaging is the accomplished by placing articles in a container and the blocking, bracing, and the and the cross unioning them when necessary. In the few cases we can see, suppose the different type of disassembled particles that like suppose you the different things you have to put on inside of a containers, and also is containers will be transferred properly because there is no disturbances comes during to the transfer of materials inside of the container. Your container is not break and then your container is the proper handle of your materials the proper way. For this will be considered according to your the container, and blockings will be here. Suppose your the different blocks will be transferred the one place to this another place. Suppose your the this the ladle is the transfers during to your the industrial, and then required for your the industrial packaging is here, and bracing, and another things is here necessary or by strappings that you have to consider according to the strapping is considered. Wrapping is required during to the articles or the containers on a pallets or skids will be required for your the transfer of one materials from this the one station to the another station during to your the industrial packagings will be done. And another things is here, the raw materials from the suppliers are often received as unitized loads in packaged content conditions will be here. Suppose that like your the unitized loads will be considered the different type of materials. This will be considered that like a one units, and converted to this the one units, and then you have to pick up that like your the package conditions will be here. The this is the given to your the suppliers to the from the suppliers. This will be given to supply that like your the packaging conditions, and then you have to, after opening your package, you can see the different disturbance will be comes like your different breaks and also damage will be considered according to your the transportation of materials during to this packet conditions. Similarly, the finished goods from the an industry is suitably packaged and kept in warehouse prior to shipments to the consumers. And another thing, the major purpose of packaging is to protect the goods. The major purpose is considered according to the protect the goods, and during the storage as well as the transportation to point of users will be considered according to your the good packagings will be done, and also the importance of your the packagings then this will be considered when your the industrial packaging will be done. And a secondary purpose of such packaging is to allow easy safe handling of some finished goods will be considered. And suppose few type of products will be given to this the temporary packagings will be there, that like your the transport of materials properly, and that like your the finished goods. And suppose your the different type of electronics goods will be transferred from your the one place to this the another place, just like your the fridge, TV, and then this will be given a container, and this will be first place on this on thermocol packets will be here. And again this packaging of this or the thermocol inside thermocol packets like your the TV, and then this will be put up inside of a wooden of a paper cartoons also will be here. And during to this is the good packaging. There is the no touch on your this on your TV, that like your the fridge, and also the different electronics goods. Then this will be transferred proper from your this company places, that like your the different dealer to your this the customers here. And this like your the fully safety handlings in your materials, and also the dishing in your the home also. There are many products which are not safe to be handled without the suitable packaging. Even the sophisticated materials handling equipment will be considered. Basically, we can see the different type of materials that not will be transferred by your the only this materials will be transferred. There is the no protections will be required is given, that like your the packaging is done during to this the transfer of one place to this another place. Then this type of materials is the fully damaged, and also this is the very difficult to handle without proper packaging, that like your the sophisticated materials, and also this is considered according to your the sophisticated materials handling equipment is required. For such goods, the suitable packaging is prerequisites for any type of handlings is considered. That like your the suitable packaging is prerequisites. And another thing, this package often the contain more than one goods components, and thus sever the purpose of unitizing of load also is considered according to your the transfer of materials. And another things will be considered according to this, the different type of industrial packagings are practiced in industries depending on this the item goods to be packaged. Some of these are the one is the wooden boxes. The basically the wooden boxes is used for your the different type of the materials that transfer from this the one place to this another place. Suppose our the fruits industries will be considered that like our the apple is transferred from your the Kashmir to Kolkata, Kashmir to Delhi, Kashmir to Bombay. The different places this will be transferred from this the on the Kashmir to different places. And this apple, this is a fruit industry is the used. The apple is the place the on by on the like your the on a wooden box is used because this is the so long distance this will be transfer your apple. And again there is the no touch from this the one to one. And again suppose the you have to place properly, then there is the no touch. And also the this touch will be done, then this will be the disturbance and wastage of apple will be found, but this is the not accepted by your the customers. Then this will be considered during toward the different wooden box. And another things, suppose this wooden box also will be considered the different type of machinery elements also will be transferred from this the one place to this the another place. Then you have to use for is the wooden boxes, because the wooden box the simple just like your the packaging materials will be come. And this wooden box is the prepared for this the very separate. And also this is the only transfer of materials from this the one place to this another place. And also nearly to this type of box is the this is the not reuse will be here. The few cases this will be reused the more or 2 or 3 times, but after 2 3 times this will be fully destroyed is here on this box, but the inside of materials of the box is not destroyed. And wooden carrots will be here. And the wooden carrots is here used for your the transport of materials proper way. And there is the no disturbance on this the creating inside of your the materials. And another things is here, the corrugated paper carton will be used, that like your the transfer of materials from this the one station to this the another station. And during to your this materials inside of this materials is the properly handled, and there is a no difficulties will be arise during to your the corrugated paper cartons is used. And number 4 is the shrink wrapping or stressing wrapping etc is considered according to the suppose your the shrinkage will be considered. The few cases your that like your the wire is the transfer from your the one place to this another place, then this will be considered according to the shrink the wrapping. And another things will be required that like your the stress wrappings will be considered according to your the transfer of materials from the one place to this another place. These things is here, the packaged units are necessarily handled mechanically will be considered. Suppose your the this will be considered like your the materials is the transfer not will be manually, this will be handled by your the mechanical. That is the few cases the rack systems. And also inside of your industry. And another places is here, this will be transferred through your the different type of trucks, industrial vehicles will be used as like your the handle of your materials. And a few cases this is the packaging will be done during to your the mechanical machines also will be used. And during to your the powder type of materials will be required for the transfer. And also during to your the packaging procedure, this is the required for the combustion test. And also the different wrappings will be there that like your the mechanically force will be act on this type of materials. Therefore the suitable provisions are made in package to enable handling by truck, trains etc will be used during to your the transfer of materials from the one place to this another place. And another things is here, as the packet units have to be handled at producers will be here and users ends. The types of size and weight of these industrial packagings are standardized based on discussions between these the both sides also will be considered according to this your transfer of materials from the one place to this another place. And suppose your the wooden box cartons will be considered, the most of the finished engineering goods are packaged in nailed wooden box or carrots will be considered. That's like your the this is your the wooden box or carrots. By definitions, wooden case or box is a framework whose base is based on a steel or skids is considered, and all the other 5 sides are covered by sheeting made of wooden planks or plywoods used as the container to transport articles, provide the complete protections to the articles. Basically the all ports and the all type of external agencies efforts will be protected by the this type of the cover woods will be there. Basically there is the no touch is found the inside of your materials, there is a no difficulties is arise inside of your this material during to your the wooden box or carrots is used. Then the this box or carrot are fully the frameworks will be considered, and there is no way any force will be given to your the inside of your material. That like your the different fruits and another things will be considered, like your the different type of fruits, the mango, apple, the orange, and this will be transferred through the one state to this the another state. Suppose you consider the one country to the another country, this will be transferred properly. There is the no or disturbances come during to your the transfer of materials, because that this will be whole protected, just like the all sides and all sides, all region, there is the no power force will be applied the inside of your this materials, then this will be considered. The wooden carrot is a framework used as a container in the transportations of articles which do not require complete protection afforded by a wooden cases or box. This will be not required, and also this will be do not require the complete protection afforded by a wooden cases or box. In a carrot, the face are only partly covered by spaced pattern, and the starts will be considered, just like your face of your these carrots will be considered, and you have to only put up your carrots, then you can consider that this upper part also will be seen during to your this materials, and also this is the fully partly covered by the spaced buttons, and the starts also will be here. The specifications of wooden carrots to carry up to 500 kg articles is specified is the 307 on to 1980 on is considered according to your the wooden box. And you can see that like your the cartoons is here, that is the cartoons made of corrugated paper or the plastic materials or solid fiber boards are used for this the packaging a number of smaller goods with or without soft shelves packaging. Sales packaging is considered. Suppose that example is given, that like your the different the mobile components, and then that like your the different electronics goods will be transferred during to this type of cartoon is used. Suppose your the you have to buy from this the different type of toys, and just like your the mobile phones, and also laptops, and also the your tablets, and also your TV will be considered, and then this will be transferred from this the one station to this the another station. Then you have to use during to your the software sales packagings, that like your the cartoons are sealed by the gum tapes as at the corners of the cartoons, and the inner sides may be provided with the blown plastics, thermocols, and also the cohesions will be given during to your the this type of cartoons when you have to transfer this materials from this the one place to the another place. Then you can see that this is the shrink wrappings, and shrink wrappings and the stress wrappings are too much used the process of unitizes, and just like your the packaging loads in industry. In shrink wrappings, the polyvinyl chloride, just like the PVC or polyethylene, that means the PE film of 50 to 350 microns thickness is considered, is used to wrap the load arranged over a pallets, and then the heated by a portable hot air guns or some heat sources at the temperature range of 350 degrees centigrade from a distance of about 300 millimeters. With the applications of heat, the film shrinks and wraps the loads together to form a stable unit load will be considered. During to this on inside of this the materials you have to consider according to the shrinkage, and also the shrink wrappings will be considered. So, suppose the different type of materials, this will be fill ups by through the polyvinyl chlorides, as like as your the polyethylenes, and again this will be considered according to your the wrapping, and also this will be putting inside of this type of buckets will be here. The major advantages of shrink wrappings are can be used for articles almost of all shapes. Basically, you have to consider your the all type of shapes of materials. This will be putting inside of these articles, and also this will be stable pallets. Loads are formed will be considered during toward the major advantage of this the shrink wrappings. and protects the unitized loads from the dust, darts, and even moisture will be considered. Suppose you have to given your the protect, that like your the protects your the dust type of material. Suppose your the that means your different type of chemicals will be transferred from this the one place to this another place. Then this will be required for your the unitized loads, like your the different suppose your the sands will be transferred, and also the darts, and even the that like your the moisture type of materials will be transferred from this the one place to this another place. Then this will be given for protected, that like your the advantage of your the shrink wrappings here, and protects articles from the damage and loss. Suppose your articles is maybe lost, then this will be fully protected, that like your the articles from the damage and loss will be here. And the relatively low cost methods of unitizations and packagings will be considered according to this. Suppose the all processing industry will be considered according toward the transportation cost will be low on your this materials, then this will be the production cost also will be low, will be consideration according to this. And then the transparent film allows the wrapped articles visible. Stress wrappings is the latest and the most cost effective and method of unitized pellets loads will be here. Here high stressable polyethylene films is wrapped under the tensions around the loads will be here. And another things, the multiple wraps are generally employed when the film gets attached to the load surfaces and make it an unitized loads here. However, additional concentrations will be given during toward the these advantages come here. The advantages about those rings wrapping are considered according to the cost is list. That means your the string steppings will be considered that like your the least cost, and the requires the less energy. That means your the least energy will be required during your the string steppings, and the whole pieces loads together will be considered. And another things can be used for heat sensitive products will be considered according to this. And that means your the low heat will be requires. The both sink and stress tappings can be done manually or by help the special design smalls as well as will be considered that like your the stress wrappings is here. The large sinks wrapping machines and stress wrappings machines will be considered. A few typical industrial machines are considered according to the shown in following photographs. This like your the different stress and different type of materials is come here. The suppose that this will be you can see that this is the different type of materials that like your the stress tapings will become the suppose the this figures will be considered that like your the stress taping machines. And then this will be concentrated according to this type of materials will be comes during to your the stressing is here. And then it will be goes to your the containers. The containers is considered according to the different type of containers of various size from the small to large made out of the diverse materials like the sheet metals. The you have to transfer that like your the putting on this your this materials inside of the containers. The wire nets, and the wire nets, the wood, plastics, rubbers, paper, etc. are used for unitizations of loads in industry will be considered as like your the transfer from this the one place to the another place. The term containers includes parts beans is here. The tote box, the pallet box, bulk containers, cargo containers, the van shipping container, etc. These containers are different designs will be here. Basically, you can see the this type of figure. This is like a different type of containers also will be here. Under this container is used that like the transport of materials from the one place to this another place. Basically, this may be top open. That like the maybe top open. You can see the this will be this is the vertically, and also this is the top is open, and also this is the vertical sides also will be open in this. The covered, the hinged gated bottom for easy discharge will be here, and the on legs or on wheels for easy movements through equipments or manual efforts will become. And small containers are generally handled manually and moved on platform tracks will be here, while the large containers are handled and the moved by forklift trucks will be here. The tractor or cranes is considered according to this. The many containers are so designed that the can be stacked on above the others, while the empty or even loaded containers will be considered. You can see this is the empty containers, and the just like is the red color is considered according to the loaded containers. And few questions will be given. Post question is here. That is what are the bulk loads? That like your the lump of material, single dismassed, homogeneous particles. The heterogeneous particles will be considered. That like your um, the what is your the bulk loads, what is the just like your the single rigid mass is compressed according to here. The self containers unitized loads is practiced in industry in everyday use, that like your the bundle bell constant unit load, that like your the all of these are basically the self contains unitized loads is practiced. Basically this is the bundles is considered is here. And the most commonly common hydraulics fluid is used, like your the mineral oil, synthetic fluids, water, gel. That is the answer is gel. Okay, thank you students.